So guys, we are here to pick up a few coils. You guys can see I'm in a warehouse right now. It's gonna be one of those coils here and one of those smaller coils. Me and my brother set up these what have you. We set it up ready to go, just waiting on the people here, workers. Honestly, there's no one here in this warehouse. Nobody, no workers. Getting ready to grab one of these guys. So, what are you doing, bro?
Oh, untarping this.
It's a big old coil right here. We got this as well in the back. Let me go other side right now. So there we go. Solid coil. So you gotta do this every time, guys. Every time you gotta untarp and wait to go in one of these docks. And when you do the unload and all that good stuff. And so hopefully, you know, we're hoping right now. And let's see what they're gonna do here. Only time will tell, right? So subscribe, guys. Hit that subscribe button and help us out here. Out here waiting right now. Alright guys, we just unloaded those two pallets, pallet coils, whatever you call it. So now all we have left is this big boy here, some 40,000 pounds. Then we have to enter that building.